แทร์ของแบรนด์เจนิโมนะคะก่อตั้งนะคะแล้วก็เติบโตจากวิสัยทัศน์นะคะแล้วก็วิชั่นในการที่จะนำนวัตกรรมนะคะเพื่อให้ผู้หญิงไม่ใช่เฉพาะประเทศไทยนะคะรวมถึงเอเชียและประเทศอื่นด้วยนะคะให้มีผิวที่เปล่งปลั่งขึ้นแล้วก็ได้ใช้สินค้าที่ดีแล้วก็มีคุณภาพค่ะ
So Genuine was found with the vision of creating quality products.
I love it. Okay, so why is it called Genuine? Can I ask that additional question?
ค่ะสำหรับเจนนี่นะคะเป็นสองคำที่มารวมกันนะคะเจนนี่ก็สื่อถึงเพื่อนหญิงพลังหญิงนะคะหรือว่าผู้หญิงที่มีพลังที่อยากจะเปลี่ยนแปลงตัวเองในทางที่ดีขึ้นค่ะส่วนมูลก็คือพระจันทร์ดวงจันทร์นะคะสื่อถึงความเปล่งปลั่งความสวยงามความสว่างสวยที่มีในตัวของผู้หญิงทุกคนค่ะ
So basically, Jenny is a two moon, right? And the Jenny represents the strength of the modern woman, and the moon was symbolized the timeless beauty, with the shine brightly in every stage.
I love it. Actually, when I first heard the brand name, I was like, Jenny, Blackpink, women empowerment and confidence at every stage of our lives. Am I right, besties?
Yes!
Okay. So that was truly inspiring, CEO Me. So everything started in Thailand, right? But how does it feel that Jenny Moon is now here in the Philippines, a market of skincare enthusiasts?
ค่ะทางเราก็ดีใจมากๆเลยนะคะที่ลูกค้าชาวฟิลิปปินส์รักและก็ชื่นชอบในเจนนี่โมมากๆนะคะทางเราก็หวังว่าจะเติบโตกันไปอย่างสวยงามค่ะ
The growth of the Jenny Moon brand in the Philippines is an important milestone, and we will build success together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, CEO Me, and for translator, Arya. CEO Me, you can sit down for the meantime as I interview your brand ambassador. Okay, Zainab! Can you give a round of applause for us? Hello again. Isa lang masasabi ko. Nagtatanong kasi siya kung may service daw. Madami pala. Love you guys. Thank you. Hi, Zainab. Kamusta ka naman? I know, kakastop ko lang ulit sa'yo. And I just feel like a lot of us here can relate. It's like watching you, it's such an experience because you radiate such positive vibes. And you've been making content for the longest time. So it's really like growing up with you. Yes. And I know you just recently went to Thailand with Daddy Ray. Kamusta naman yun?
Actually, masaya kasi panalo tayo Puso. Yes, diba? We get gold medal sa Thailand and super happy. Actually, third time ko na sa Thailand. Love ko din ang Thailand. Like, pwede akong pumunta to shop, to eat, and to chill. Especially malapit na naman sa atin ang Thailand. I love the culture too.
That's so true. And any besties here who have also been to Thailand? Give me a slay clap.
Yes,
Yeah. So we really know them for their food. Good food, you know, pad thai, pad krapao.
Ay, mango.
Ayun ka na. Sticky rice.
Ay, mango rice.
Yes. We know them for their fashion. Nag-shopping ka ba doon, Zainab?
Yes. Guilty. Ang sarap mag-tianggi doon. Sobrang sarap, especially the night market. Napakamura. Hindi ko magawa dito eh. So doon na lang. Doon ako nag-shopping every Christmas season.
True. If hindi tayo mag-shop sa TikTok shop, punta na lang sa Thailand. Okay? Anyway, so I think very underrated yung skincare nila. That's why we are bringing Jenny Moon here in the Philippines. So I have to ask, I'm sure our guest wants to know too, what they love most about the product?
Especially, number one na siguro yung name. But before pa, bago pa nila ako i-contact to be their ambassador, nakikita ko na siya. Tapos nung before ako talagang mag-shoot sa Jenny Moon, meron akong isang ninang na gumagamit ng Jenny Moon product, the cream. Tapos nung sinabi niya, Jenny Moon to. Actually, trending na nga talaga ang Jenny Moon, di ba? Like, before magka-ambassador, magkaroon ng endorser, talagang marami nang gumagamit. And sinong hindi, di ba?
Yeah.
It's Jenny Moon. Like, I'm a stan talaga ako ni Jenny. Bias ko talaga si Jenny sa Blackpink. And also, I really love Moon. Kung alam niyo, meron akong Moon yung pangalan. So talaga parang nag-perfect alignment na lahat. Parang, oh, para sa akin ata to. And then when I tried the product, especially the cream, kasi lagi ako sa Japan, kung alam niyo din, sobrang dry ng skin ko because of Japan. The weather there, super cold. And kapag talagang ina-apply ko yung cream, alam niyo, glow. And sa mga nakakapansin, ano ginagawa ko, bakit sumobra yung glow ko, bakit tinry ko kasi yung sabon. So hindi ko in-expect na ganito pala yung effect niya. And sabi ko, sige, magbe-bleach na lang ako para mag-tan back uli ako. Kaya lang, consistent talaga. At ang maganda dito, hindi siya nakakabalat ng skin. Unlike other ng sabon, di ba? Kapag gumamit kayo ng pampaputi or what, nagbabalat, nagpipil, or kaya naman nagkakaroon ng sunog effect. So yun yung maganda sa product natin. Talagang parang ordinary sabon lang siya. At take note, sobrang bango. Kung may mga stocks tayo dyan, pwede nyo amuyin. Yun ang number one favorite favorite ko, yung scent. Sobrang bango.
I love it. Yun pala yung strategy, guys. Dapat pala yung endorser para only supply of the products you want. And true, I love the smell. It's like
Yes.
watermelon with rose, like that.
Tsaka yung color, it's giving wedding, burgundy.
Yeah. Nakaka-enjoy mag-shower when you have
Yes.
it. So, ayan o. I think mas lalo tayo na-excite and na-curious about Jenny Moon, right, besties?
Yes.
Parang gusto na natin i-check out.
Yes.
Huh? So, thank you so much, Dana.
Thank you for having me, everyone. Thank you so much.
Okay. And now, the moment